Welcome, Panda-Frog here. Trying to get into the Rattle Club. It's a giveaway from Mr.Paradise. So let me see if I can open this LoTo lock. It is not a master lock, but yeah, I will show you later. When I get this one open, I'll show you. It's giving me a little trouble. Okay, 3 sound set. 1 sound set 2 now. Four sound set. 5, I don't know. I believe I overset 2. Try to drop it. No, I dropped it. Let's reset. I believe I dropped everything. 2 should be set now. Now it's set. I'm on 4 sound set. I'm on 5 sound set. And the last one is not set. You're close. I dropped a couple pins again. Then we're open. Alright. So what we have here is a LoTo. And it's a cheap Chinese LoTo. Alrighty. So let me get some focus on here. So it is a 6-pinner. Here's the key. It's a fairly decent bidding, I believe. Now let's see if we can rattle this one. I don't know. I have not tried it. So to rattle it, we need to get it over this point, right? No, yeah, doesn't look like it. No, it is blocked. So you cannot rattle this one, even if I tried. It's pretty stuck. Just can lock it back up. Here the key works. I hope it's okay that I used a different lock, but I don't have a master lock, a rattle lock. So nice Chinese. It's a decent building and it has 6 pins. I believe there are 1 or 2 spools in there. I don't know for sure, but yeah. So that's from me, my entry into the Rattle Club. Thank you for watching. Hope this is accepted this way. Yeah. I will rattle a real LoTo as soon as I get one from Dusty. He sent it to me and I hope he doesn't mind that I rattle one. And I will give it to my son as a toy. Alright, thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.